Wit videos. Wit videos.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to use cutlery properly. Whether you're new to formal dining or just need a quick refresher, this video will teach you everything you need to know. Let's start with the basics. On your plate, you'll usually find a fork, a knife, and a spoon. The fork is for your main course, the knife for cutting your food, and the spoon for soups and desserts. When holding your cutlery, it's important to hold the fork with your left hand and the knife with your right. The tines of the fork should be facing down, and the sharp edge of the knife should be facing toward the plate. When cutting your food, use the knife to make small cuts, and then switch to the fork to eat. It's considered rude to use your knife as a pusher, so always use the fork to bring food to your mouth. When using a spoon, hold it in your right hand and scoop the food towards you. Keep the spoon facing upward and don't make too much noise while you eat. Exclamation mark when you're finished with your meal. Lay down your cutlery neatly on your plate, with the fork and knife pointing inwards towards the center of the plate, and the spoon facing upwards. This is a sign to the waitstaff that you're finished eating. And that's it. With these basic tips, you'll be able to use cutlery like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy dining. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.